The Fall of the Rebel Angels, painted in 1562 by Pieter Bruegel the Elder, is held at the Royal Museums of Fine Arts of Belgium. This piece highlights the first confrontation between good and evil, when Lucifer is expelled from paradise. The painting depicts the precise moment when the archangel Michael condemns Lucifer to the dark depths, following his rebellion against the divine illumination. When he falls, Lucifer brings with him other rebel angels which have been transformed into demons. At the center of this dramatic and tumultuous composition is Archangel Michael with his wings spread, wearing a shiny gold armor. His right foot rests on the stomach of the seven-headed dragon described in Apocalypse. This monstrous presence shows Bruegel's originality as he brings together two biblical stories, one from the beginning of time and the other from the end. Brandishing his sword above his head, the archangel slays the apocalyptic dragon before hurling him and the fallen angels to the depths of hell. Behind them, an infernal spiral of demonic creatures pours down the painting. Some of these hybrid monsters seem to be inspired by the painter Hieronymus Bosch and his famous sense of humor. In particular, in the bottom left-hand corner where a devil, half human, half lizard, is biting his calf and showing his rear end to the viewer, farting in a blatant sign of contempt. Bruegel's inspiration for these demons comes from cabinets of curiosities and discoveries from the New World, which abound his composition. Thus, the wings of the demon in the foreground are those of a macaon butterfly, a species which lives on the European and American continents. Bruegel also uses elements from the underwater world, such as crustaceans, mollusks, and fish, like the blowfish. An exotic specimen from the Pacific and Indian Oceans, the blowfish is recognizable by its prominent teeth and above all by the fact it fills its abdomen with water when threatened. Set against a celestial light blue background, the faithful angels appear robed in white. They are armed with swords or divine trumpets, whose music aims to encourage the fighters. Far away, some angels are already proclaiming victory. Bruegel the Elder's captivating masterpiece, The Fall of the Rebel Angels, can be admired at the Royal Museums of Fine Arts of Belgium in the room dedicated to the Flemish painter